Let us start the next part of this light reflection and refraction. So if the question arises, draw the ray diagram for this. Why the ray diagram is like this? See here, this is a convex mirror. For the convex mirror, there are only two possibilities of the position of object. One is at infinity and another one is infinity and the pole. So here the object is at 5 meter, means it is not at infinity. So your diagram will be of second case diagram of the convex mirror. So object is in between infinity and pole. So its image form will be virtual and erect. It is behind the mirror. So first ray parallel to the principal axis. So it reflects with respect to focus. So it cannot go toward the focus, but it will reflect along the line of focus. And second ray, which is going toward the center, it will reflect along the same line wherever these two rays intersect. Actually, these reflected rays are these are moving away from each other. So they will not intersect further the mirror, means in front of the mirror. They may intersect behind the mirror. So intersection of these two reflected ray is here. So here is the position of image. So the image will be formed between P and F. So how much is the focal length? In this problem, the focal length was 1.5 meter. So see, the V should be less than this focal length. Focal length is this much distance. So V will be a position of image from the pole. Now it must be less than this distance, means 1.5. So it will be 1.15 meter. Means your calculation is correct. This diagram is correct. You can cross check each question here by the diagram. Here you have one. So this way of solving the problem is called as a graphical way. That is a geometrical construction. And this is a mathematical way or analytical method. So this is a graphical method and this is a analytical method. So for solving such problem, there are two options. One is by drawing the diagram and second by mathematical calculation. So by the ray diagram as well as by the calculation, you may get the answer. Let us study the next question. It is again from your NCERT textbook. An object 4 centimeter in size. Here is a comma, means here some different values given. An object 4 centimeter in size. So this is height of the object H. It's placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Now mirror is concave. Concave means its focal length is negative. This you must understand. So concave mirror means focal length is negative. 25 centimeter object is placed, means this is not a focal length. It is a distance U, and U is always negative because object is always placed in front of the concave mirror. Here focal length is 15 centimeter. So here F is minus 15 centimeter. Since mirror is concave, U is always negative, so U is minus 25 centimeter. Here this is H. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? So where the screen is placed means where we will get the image, that is position of image, that is distance of the image. So means we have to calculate V in order to obtain a sharp image. So in order to obtain the sharp image, where the screen be placed, so means here we have to find the position of image from the pole, that is V. Find the nature and size of the image. Find nature and size of the image. So let us write about this. So object size, object is always considered above the principal axis and erect in position. So H is plus 4. Here object distance U is minus 25 centimeter. Here focal length F equal to minus 15 centimeter. Here we have to find the V, also the H dash. So apply the mirror formula. See in the problem, here is the word mirror. Student, you have a both type of problem. One is case of mirror and another one is the lenses, which having the slight variation in them. So whenever you see the word mirror, you have to apply the mirror formula. So mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So you can use this first formula and then second formula. So 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So Here we want to find the V. So 1 by V equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Now focal length is minus 15 and U is minus 25. So the term becomes equal to 1 by minus 15 minus of the formula 1 by minus 25. So minus minus become plus. So next step become minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. So 1 by V equal to, on solving this, here LCM is taken as 75. It will be minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2 by 75. Hence taking the reciprocal on both sides, V will be minus 37.5. Whenever you are taking the correct sign, then this sign is also meaningful. V is negative. Negative means the image formed on the negative side. Negative side means in front of the mirror, that is to the left hand side of the pole. Hence the image will be real and the inverted. With real, always the word is inverted. So image will be real and inverted. Now we have to check either it is magnified or diminished. So real and inverted, it is the correct. Now here we make cross check like this. Here focal length is 15 and U is 25. Means twice of focal length, means here the center will be at 30 centimeter. Here the object is at 25 centimeter, means here position of object is in between C and F. When the position of object is in between C and F, the image will be beyond C. When the image will be beyond C, it will be magnified and it is real and inverted. So this is a possibility, so that you can understand. So you may get the answer by the calculation also by the ray diagram. Now apply the second formula. Magnification is equal to H dash by H, which is equal to minus V by U. So magnification formula is H dash by H equal to minus V by U. Student, you have to memorize this formula. This is the mirror formula and this is the magnification formula. It is H dash by H equal to minus V by U. So we want to find the height of the image. So while taking the definition, while teaching the definition, so you have to add this one more thing. Magnification is H dash by H equal to minus V by U. So what is the formula for H dash? So H dash becomes minus V by U into H. So minus V value is minus 37.5. H is 4 centimeter and U is minus 25. So this minus minus become plus. Plus minus is minus. So H dash will be negative. And calculation of this will be 6 centimeter. You carry out this, cancel with by divisibility test, you will get H dash is minus 6 centimeter. Negative sign shows here the image is inverted and this size is larger than object size, so magnified. So the image is inverted and enlarged. So here focal length, mirror is concave mirror, focal length is 15 centimeter. So center will be twice of this. If this is 15, then this will be a 30. So object is at 25 centimeter from the mirror. Means object is in between C and F. When the object is in between C and F, the image will be beyond the C. For that purpose, you may draw the ray diagram to get the position of image, or if you know the table, you will very well know this thing. So draw the first ray parallel to the principal axis. Its reflected ray passes through the focus. That is the rules for drawing the rays in case of concave mirror. And second ray, which is passing through the center, its reflection will be along the same path. So intersection will be here of this A point, that is A dash, and the B will reflect on the same line. So here is the position of the image. So image will be inverted. So here is one question. Find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. So if focal length of a convex mirror, so for convex mirror the focal length is plus, the radius of curvature is also positive. So here R is plus 32. So what is the focal length? R equal to 2F. So F equal to R by 2. So R is plus 32 by 2, that is plus 16 centimeter. That is plus 16 centimeter. So let us solve this problem. Here the focal length will be plus 16 centimeter if radius of curvature is 32 centimeter of a convex mirror.